In a world where rivers sang, a village harnessed their melody. "Listen," said the elder. "The water's song powers our lights." The villagers built a wheel that danced with the river's flow, turning energy into light. "It's magic!" a child exclaimed, eyes wide with wonder. "No!" the elder smiled. "It's nature's gift." As the wheel spun, the village thrived, proving that harmony with nature could illuminate even the darkest nights. "Together," the elder declared, "we create a brighter future." And so the river's song continued, a testament to the power of unity and innovation.